Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Cook with Sanakhuram. This is Sana. Today I'm going to share with you a very nutritious and delicious kheer recipe. Usually we make kheer with white rice or basmati rice, but today we're going to make it with the super nutritious, diabetic friendly and fiber rich little millets. In this recipe I have used palm sugar for sweetening the kheer as palm sugar has very low glycemic index. And among the other grains, little millets have highest fiber content and are very effective in lowering cholesterol levels. They have very low glycemic index, and hence this kheer would definitely be a boon for Weight Watchers and people with diabetes. Now come, let's get on to the recipe. I have taken half a cup of little millets, soak them in 3 cups of water for about 6 hours. This is to remove the phytic acid from the millets because phytic acid is an anti-nutrient and it blocks the absorption of certain minerals into our body. So we are going to discard it. Now after 6 hours, you can see it's been soaked well. Now you can discard the water. Now take a pressure cooker and add quarter cup of ghee. Once the ghee gets heated, add the millets and cook for about 5 minutes. Cook over a slow flame. Keep on stirring so that they don't get stuck at the bottom. And now you can see the ghee has been absorbed by the millets. Now to this add 4 cups of water. And add a pinch of salt, and this will definitely add taste to the kheer. If you want, you can skip adding salt. Now cover the cooker with the lid and put on the whistle. Cook over a high flame till you get 1 whistle and simmer the stove and cook over a slow flame until you get 3 whistles. Now done, remove the whistle and the lid. Now the millets have been cooked perfectly soft and perfect in texture. Cook the millets for some more time without the whistle till the mixture thickens. The reason we add more water while pressure cooking is to avoid burning of the millets at the bottom of the cooker. Now to this add half a teaspoon of cardamom powder and 1 cup of palm sugar and mix thoroughly. Now you can see the mixture has started to thicken, so keep on stirring it. Now to this add 1 liter of milk and mix thoroughly. And now add half a cup of palm sugar again. After adding milk, we need some more sweetness, so we are adding half a cup extra sugar. So totally we have used 1.5 cups of sugar for this kheer recipe. Now take a pan and add 1/8 cup of ghee to it. Once the ghee gets heated, simmer the stove and add split cashews 20 grams and fry over a slow flame. When they turn light brown, add the raisins. Raisins I have taken 20 grams and fry till they turn golden brown. And once they turn golden brown, switch off the stove and add quarter teaspoon of cardamom powder and mix well and add them to the kheer for that irresistible aroma and taste. Now time to serve this super delicious and nutritious little millets kheer, and it's amazing, so tasty. Friends, please give this recipe a try and I'm sure you will love this kheer. If you like this recipe and my video, please hit a like, subscribe to my channel and share this recipe with your family and friends. And thanks for watching my video. Meet you all in my next upload. Until then, this is Sana signing off with lots of love.